Urban Asset Solutions, a proudly Australian-owned and operated company, is a leader in the provision of innovative stormwater quality improvement devices and ongoing system maintenance services. We understand and acknowledge that an integral part of installing any stormwater treatment device is its regular, scheduled cleaning and maintenance. At Urban Asset Solutions, we provide our clients with a high-quality, cost-efficient maintenance service, acknowledging that regular maintenance is crucial to the long-term benefits, life and performance of any stormwater treatment asset. Our accredited team has the industry knowledge to tackle all work safely and efficiently. They are experienced in cleaning and maintaining all types of stormwater treatment systems, ranging from curb inlet litter baskets to proprietary GPTs, floating booms and generic trash rack and netting systems. Our bush regeneration team is experienced in the maintenance of modern WSUD systems such as bioretention systems, sedimentation basins and vegetated swales. Our specialised, well-maintained maintenance equipment includes industrial wet vac combination units, commonly known as eductor trucks, crane trucks, excavator and bobcat, and dinghies with water weed harvesting attachments. Our team is passionately committed to customer service, as well as environmental and social responsibility. We take our duty of care for people and the environment seriously and uphold our commitment to safety and risk management. We pride ourselves on providing a comprehensive turnkey maintenance service for our clients that includes not only the planned cleaning works of your stormwater quality improvement device, but also ongoing regular systems inspections, reactive 24/7 maintenance call-out services, asset condition assessment reporting, national coverage, detailed cloud-based real-time reporting, completion of minor asset rectification works or complete asset refurbishment works, general litter and debris removal from waterways and constructed fishways. Contact your local Urban Asset Solutions representative for a free consultation and quote for the ongoing inspection, cleaning and maintenance of your stormwater treatment assets.